How to make email marketing work for you. Marketing emails can be an effective method of communicating with your customers. To make the most of your emails, you need to have an effective plan. The suggestions in this video are designed to help you create a marketing campaign that works. Read on to discover how to begin or improve your techniques. If you have a client who has a birthday, make sure that you send a follow-up email that includes a happy birthday message on it. Include a request on the email that tells this person to go to a particular place. The ending can include a link that tells him or her that it is possible to become a subscriber by clicking on it. Make sure you are working off of a clean list. This keeps the time you spend directed towards targeted customers. Targeting the wrong customers will not help you, and a clean list can get you to more of the right customers much faster. Clean up your list, and get to the right customers. Pay attention to the demographics within your subscriber base. See what content and links intrigued a particular segment of your audience, and then follow up with a new email to that subgroup. The boost in your response rate from peeling away the top layer will really surprise you, but in a delightful way. When developing an email marketing campaign, you must make your material look professional. If it does not look professional, customers will pass over it without paying any attention at all. There are plenty of scams and junk emails going around, and your legitimate marketing campaign must stand out as something they want to look further into. Offer your visitors a free learning course conducted via email. You'll need to develop a set amount of autoresponders, breaking up the lesson into sections. 4 to 6 sections should be an appropriate amount. Make sure the content is both informative and unique. Schedule the sections to be sent out one at a time every 24 hours. This can provide you with a host of benefits, such as enhancing your website, gaining your customers' confidence, developing your authority, and building your email base. As you can see, there are many ways to improve the content and quality of your marketing emails. By utilizing the techniques and hints contained in this video, you can improve your business. You can begin implementing them in your next campaign. You will be pleased with the results these tips help you create. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.